tuned in.
Hey, just to add a little bit on Bradley Zimmer injury, that 24 hours is going to be big. As you mentioned earlier, he was in the lineup today. Then when he went through some BP, the coaches could see he was wincing as he was swinging the bat. He's not better tomorrow. There could be some movement upon what they do with Bradley Zimmer. Just pay attention to that. And Nick, when I talked to him about a half hour ago, he doesn't feel that bad. He thinks that this should be a quick injury. He says he's never felt it actually pull. You know when you usually get a hamstring muscle or hamstring, you can feel it. He said he never felt anything. It was more or less like it just cramped up on him, and he's gotten much better since then.
All right, something to keep an eye on for sure.